Good morning, friend. Good morning to you. How are you? I am good. Thank you. Can I ask some question about your school? Yes, of course. What is your school name? My school name is AP School. Is your school is private or great? My school is private. How many students in your school? It's about 50, 100 students. How many teachers in your school? 20 teachers. How many boys in your school? 250 boys. How many girls in your school? 250 girls. How many classrooms in your school? 20 classrooms. How much ground in your school? Only one ground. Which game is play in your school? Volleyball. How many female teachers in your school? 10 people, 10 female teachers. How many male teachers in your school? 10 female teachers. How many grades in your school? Grade 10. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Do you have any question? No thanks. See you again. See you again. If you everyone have question, ask in comment section. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Can I ask some question? Yes, sure. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What do you do? I'm businessman. I'm businessman. Which type of shop do you have? I have general store. Where are you bringing things? I think I betting in China. Which thing are you importing from China? I import twice and other things. How many? How much do you spend? I spend 2 lakh in month. How many profit get you in month? I get 30,000 profit in the month. Great, thank you. Thank you. When you go to shop, I go to my shop at 9 o'clock. How many sale in day in your shop? It's about 50,000 in a day. When you come back to your shop, I come to back my home at 8 o'clock. I What do you in your free time? I work on internet. I work on internet. Which type of work do you on internet? I work on Fiverr. Good effort. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. See you again. Take care. Take care yourself. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, ask in comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We will meet new video.